Welcome to the farm.
Welcome to the farm. I'm Justin, and over the weekend we had a storm blow through and it took this little oak branch down. So today we're gonna have a little bit of fun. We're gonna grab a chainsaw, we're gonna grab my Kubota, and we're gonna get this cleaned up. Let's get to it. So this branch is still attached to the trunk, and it looks like there's quite a bit of wood holding it still. Normally in this situation, what I would try to do is hook a chain to the tractor and try to pull it and see if I could just pull it out of the tree. But I think there's too much wood holding it to the trunk still. So I think what I'm gonna do is take that chain, I'm still gonna hook it to the branch, hook it back to the tractor, but I'm gonna use that just to keep this thing from wanting to kick back at me. I don't think it wants to anyway because of the way the branches are. It looks like it should roll behind me or away from me towards the tractor right now. But just as a precaution, we're gonna hook it up. I'm not a professional tree cutter, so I'm just gonna take the extra precaution.
So as I'm tightening the chain, I'm not trying to add any extra tension or pressure into the branch. All I'm trying to do is make it so the chain's in a position where if this branch comes down and tries to roll towards me as I'm cutting, the chain will stop it, make it drop straight down or even towards the tractor a little bit without adding any more spring load into the branch.
All right, I think we're as set up as we're gonna be. Chain's hooked up to the tractor and the branch. Let's cut this thing up. Well, that worked really awesome. I'm glad I put the chain around there. I did cut that branch all the way through and it kind of wedged itself. So having that chain on there, as soon as I moved that buck a little bit, just took that pressure off and it fell right through. So worked out really well. So let's go ahead, let's get this whole thing cut up, chipped up, and then we'll worry about that dangling piece right there. So now we got the rest of that branch cleaned up. The last thing we need to do is take care of this hanger, which I don't think it's going to take much to get down. Well, I don't know about you guys, but I sure had a lot of fun doing that. And add a little bit more wood that needs to be split. And let me tell you, the piles of wood that need to get split do not get smaller around here. There is so much to split. I have a big massive pile right here behind the splitter, and then I still have trees and logs that I cut down a year and a half ago out there that I still need to grab up, cut into rounds and split. So that'll be an adventure whenever I get to that. But just want to say thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye.